walking. So today, beautiful day, sun shining in Lancashire. And as I don't walk anywhere apart from my front door to the car, today I've been dragged out, or agreed to be dragged out to the top of Pendle Hill. I just started walking from the car, had an ice cream. It's all over my beard, and now we're walking. We'll see how it goes. See if I can make it to the top. That's the challenge. A bit of an easy path so far, but a difficult bit starts just literally now. We're going onto the uphill section of the track. It's a kissing game, we have to kiss. And it's well round. That's what the kissing gates are for. It's not a good thing if you're coming with your mate. You still have to kiss. It's a kissing game, for fuck's sake. Beep. This is hard work. I think I'm gonna try to film this video while I'm walking all the time, because I don't want to be left behind. So yeah, be more and more panting from now on. So prepare yourself. It is a hard work. Oh, look at the views. Bloody amazing. Nearly there. It's getting steeper and I'm running out of steam. I was just wondering, if I did collapse from exhaustion, would someone come and rescue me in a helicopter? Imagine the shots I could have. Amazing. You say it's too hard?
Not too hard.
Then we should go back.
Not too hard.
I am definitely broken and we're not even halfway up. Yeah, sit down was definitely needed for this. But yeah, I knew it's gonna be hard, but I didn't know it's gonna be this hard for someone unfit as me. I was just overtaken by people double my age, and I'm old. You're panting more than I do. Exhausting. Absolutely exhausting. If not the view and a bit of wind, a bit of a breeze, this would be a nightmare. But I hope it's worth it. I really do. I haven't been here for 12 years. And I have been here last time I was fit. I was going to gym. So I should get a medal if I get to the top. Are we there yet? Yeah. I'm literally reaching my limit, and I'm talking at the same time as panting. It doesn't help. It's much harder. I think we need another 100 pants.
I'm not ready.
Is this the top? Tell me it's the top. Is the top? No. I don't know what the rules are on the wilderness like this, but we're walking on the grass. Well, I'm walking on the grass where the path is over there, because this way it's quicker to the goal, which is just there, top of Pendle Hill. I'm coming. Literally we'll be at the top in about 5 minutes. 5 minutes to the target, and then I can just go to sleep, sit down and quietly die somewhere in a nice grass. Very hard work. I'm still gonna decide if it was worth it or not. I'm gonna wait till I get the top, proper top, and give my review of this establishment. So close yet so far, nearly there. I've made it! "45 minutes climb on those steps, those stone steps, and a steep hill to get the top, see the top, and absorb this view. It's just incredible. It's definitely worth the effort. I would recommend going the long way. Too long, not worth the time. Life is too short. Go the steep way. 45 minutes, you're on top, and you see all this. Walking down is much easier. Definitely quite enjoyable. We're taking different path to go down. The breeze is nice, the sun is still shining, and it's actually enjoyable. One thing is, it's definitely less panting on the way down. But it's very warm. We're kind of sheltered here by the hill on one side, on this side, so it's quite hot here. We picked a good day for this. Last time we attempted to do this on a long run, it was raining and we had to give up halfway, not even probably halfway. The mist came and clouds and rain, so we had to stop. So picking a day like today with the sunshine and blue sky was definitely good. We're going down the zigzags, them zigzags there. Walking down the zigzaggy steep bit. It's not really advisable for the old dude like me because it's too steep. So this steep is steep enough to conquer down. Then that's steep because that steep is way too steep, and steep is steep. We all know about steep. So there you go. Very long, grueling, 45 minutes to get to the top, but very quick and almost enjoyable 40 minutes to come down, and we are so close to the ice cream again. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. The ice cream man is still there. The ice cream man is waiting for me. I'm coming. And here I am with a second ice cream of the day. I deserved it after all this walk to Pendle and back. I've got ice cream, and so has Joanne, and she's not eating ice cream today. She said, "This is a problem when you've got a beard. It always happens. Your ice cream ends up in your beard like this, and then people are laughing at you on the street." So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.